Imagine a week of creativity in the heart of Tuscany, where ancient art meets modern knitting. Join master knitter James Cox for an all-inclusive retreat at the historic Watermill beside the River Rosaro in the small village of Posara. You'll enjoy bright and airy accommodations in beautifully restored historic buildings with lovely views of the river, the gardens, or the mountains. Gourmet meals and local transfers are included. All you need to bring are your knitting needles. You'll master the magic knot, transforming a simple joining technique into an elegant design feature for your unique scarf. Then you'll discover 8 reversible stitches to create a stunning cowl that's beautiful from both sides, like knitting 2 pieces at once. Your creativity continues beyond the studio as you take your knitting along on delightful excursions to the colorful coastal villages of Cinque Terre, the walled city of Lucca, and an ancient monastery nestled in the hills. Return home with 2 beautiful new projects and memories that will last a lifetime. Join James for Knitting Magic in Tuscany from August 23rd to the 30th, 2025. Limited spots are available. Please book now at watermill.net.